Good evening, but first our top story tonight. Prosecutors say that Jeremiah Peacemaker murdered a woman and then cut off her head. They say that a bloody fingerprint on the tube of toothpaste is proof.
Peacemaker's attorneys say he had nothing to do with it. They claim someone else is to blame, and there's DNA evidence to prove the claim.
And Kettleland's Renee Ortiz was at the Cottington County Courthouse for the first day of the murder trial and joins us now with both sides of the case. Renee?
Today started with opening statements. Then the jury heard from the victim's grandmother, her caseworker, and law enforcement. Jurors also saw pictures of the victim's body, which was in the apartment for 9 days before she was discovered.
Jeremiah Peacemaker arrived at the Cottington County Courthouse this morning to go on trial for murder. Peacemaker is charged with killing Kendra Owen in 2020. The investigation began when a caseworker with the Human Service Agency did a welfare check on September 1st. She hadn't heard from Owen for several days. Today in court, she told jurors she knew something was wrong. When she returned a day later, the caseworker noticed the door was unlocked and there were flies and a foul odor, so she called police.
It was here on September 2nd, 2020, where South Dakota DCI and the Watertown Police Department discovered the body of then 28-year-old Kendra Owen.
It was death by incised wound to the neck with decapitation. Cause and manner of death was incised wound to the neck, homicide, occurring on or about the early morning hours of August 24th and ultimately discovered about 6:15 on September 2nd.
The Attorney General says there was a tube of toothpaste with Peacemaker's bloody fingerprint on it. Jackley says investigators also found a sweatshirt with Owen's DNA at Peacemaker's home. Prior to the crime, defense attorneys say Peacemaker and Owen were last seen leaving Doc's Bar in downtown Watertown in the hours leading up to the crime. They walked to Owen's apartment. Peacemaker's attorney says he stayed for 20 minutes, touched nothing, then left. This was the last time Peacemaker claims he saw her.
The defense also claims 2 cigarettes were found in Owen's apartment containing DNA from 2 different women, which may point to a different killer. That's expected to come up later in the trial, which is expected to last around 2 weeks.